How's everybody feeling? Feeling fresh?
No, cero fresh.
Buenos dias, huh? Buenos dias.
Buenos días, compa. Buenos días.
Taking the taxi to the ferry.
How far is the ferry?
Like they're not trying to turn it into like a beach bar type deal. Yeah. Hey guys. Sorry, still? ¿Estás bien? You okay? That's pretty good. We'll be the first ones off and we're the last ones on. It's gonna crap on us. Oh, there you go. Oh. Don't crap on me. I don't want them to shit on me. How you feeling?
Con calorcito, ¿no?
We're off the ferry and on the taxi heading to Cruz Bay. Uy, papá.
Hello.
Ay. That's the beach we're going to.
That's the beach we're going?
Yeah.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Look at Emma sleeping here on the beach in Cruz Bay. It's a beautiful, beautiful day here. It's amazing. Definitely worth the effort to come to St. John. Really enjoying the afternoon. This is the third time, I think, third time we've been to Cruz Bay, and this is the busiest I've seen it, which is still not very busy. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Fresh, no? What do you think, Aiden? How was it over there? You see some fish? A lot of fish? That's cool. You look for crabs too? ¿Qué pasa, Carlos? Oh, do you see it? A big one. I see it. Did you see any eels though?
No. But I saw a medusa, a jellyfish. Hanging out, getting more exotic.
This is like the tour where we
But I
picked
really
up.
appreciate that they're like protecting the island and the beach by not letting no plastic cups.
Like in Mexico, they'd be like,
There's a fucking basura all over the place.
it's good. I mean, it's like, I'd rather have it like this with just a little tiki hut for snacks and keep it simple. Carlos, look how clear the water got when the sun came through. It's amazing. Incredible. I gotta keep selling this to make sure that you guys realize it was worth the effort, you know? Are you happy, Emma? ¿Quieres papá? ¿Quieres comer? She wants to eat. She's hungry. There's not many options here, but they do have a little hut where you can buy some snacks and sandwiches and stuff. It's really nice that they that this hasn't become all like beach bars and whatnot. It's really cool that it's a part of the National Park Service and it's protected, and they do a really good job of trying to keep all the litter and people. For the most part, everybody's very respectful and cleans up after themselves. It's really cool. It's fun. You happy? Yeah.
Emma, look. Emma, look. Anta Emma. Where's Emma?
So how's it? We've been on the ship 4 nights so far. How's it going? Having a good time?
Yeah, I'm really enjoying it.
Yeah.
A lot of fun.
So far you would cruise again?
Yeah.
Look at your smile. Cheese. Are you guys having fun? Are you sure? You like it? Ay, otra cervecita. Oh. Muy bien, muy bien. Hey, Maya, go. Go, Maya. Go, Aiden, go. Oh, nice. The soul comes out, the water gets so much more beautiful. That's my rule, you know. I don't go in the ocean unless I can see my feet. And my panzón is my panzón is getting in the way these days.
Underwater?
Like, hey, we're gonna have to play.
Oh, ¿cómo está, bello público? Estamos por terminar nuestro gran viaje, visita en San John, en San Johnny, pero no es el San Johnny que conocen del San Juan de Dios de Guadalajara. Este es el San John, playita, papi, de las Islas Vírgenes. Vírgenes como siempre, como le gustan a Alex, Virgin Islands. Salud.
When the sun comes through the clouds and hits the water is just perfect. Look at that, it's just beautiful. You getting buried on the beach, Ethan? Oh, it's a beautiful, beautiful day. Beautiful. So we're finishing up our day here, Trunk Bay. Gonna get back on our taxi, back in the taxi. All the cab drivers out here waiting for their parties. So you're Mr. Wonderful Taxi here in St. John, huh? Yeah. Nice. This is our taxi driver for the afternoon.
Yes, sir. Wonderful.
Perfect.
Best taxi on St. John.
How's everybody doing back there? Everybody good? Everybody feeling fresh?
Yes, sir.
Full of energy? Ethan, how you doing? Good? Oh, it was hot today, right?
Yes.
A little caliente, huh?
Yes, sir.
¿Está padre? ¿Está feliz?
Yesterday was way hotter.
Yeah, I think yesterday was hotter, right? There we go, back in St. Thomas, ready to go back to the ship. You okay, Emma? Yeah, we didn't get on the video. That would have been a great video. We lost the stroller. The stroller flew right out of the taxi. But luckily, it's okay. We got it. I don't know. She's a child. It's only for adults, they say.
I guess I'm an adult, so I guess.
Alright, I'll see you guys on the ship. Hey, look, there's our guy right there.
Your passion. I think you do the ID.
¿Qué pasa, Aiden? ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa? As you saw today, we had a great day. We went to St. Thomas's this morning, but what we ended up doing was taking the ferry to St. John. Fantastic day, and now we're back from St. Thomas St. John, and we're going to dinner at Chibang. So we're gonna go check that out. First time ever going. Try to share some photos of the dishes.